Good afternoon everyone. Today I'm going to be showing you how to teach and make easy videos for students. So our teachers need to know there should be a kind of sequence of lessons which will be very helpful. So I'll be discussing about the tips and techniques that we should follow in making good quality videos. So first of all, you have to give lesson introduction. Then you provide your lecture, summarize your idea, give homework to them, give feedback to the students in their class, let them practice, brainstorm, it means revise the things. And storytelling is a very important part for any class. Make the class interesting and funny. Tell them any story related to your discussed topic. And then analyze text, it means explain the text, every word, everything that you discuss in the class. Book report, that is what is the feedback of each student. Suppose Kamal has done, he deserves A plus, Rohim deserves A, Korim he deserves C, something like this. And then sketch notes, they should when you discuss something, they should put down some notes in their notebook, they should write down something. These will help a lot. And learning outcome, what will you teach and what they will learn in the class, they should know. So these are the 11 things that I have already discussed. Now let's talk about this interesting and step-by-step procedure. Show the book and mention the page number. So it's very important that you show the book to the students. Like I will show you, this is the book that I'm going to discuss today. Take your book, everybody will take the book, and then you mention the page number. Suppose singular and plural, page 8 and 9, page number 8, 9, and then another singular plural, page 22, 23. So you discuss about this. So everybody will go focus on to this page number. Then talk to the students, like what is singular, what is plural, related to the topic. And then introduce the lesson. Go to the book, textbook. Suppose from this textbook, page 8 and 9, as you can see, you show the pictures, and one by one, suppose 2 buses, 3 watches, 4 bushes, 5 foxes, 1 pony, 2 ponies, 1 baby, 2 babies, and then go for the exercise, practice and all. And then discuss and explain everything in clear in the language. Suppose in the language that the students know. Suppose in Rohingya language, the students or in Chittagonian language that they know. And ask questions. So what is this? 1. What is this? 2. So 1 means singular, 2 means plural. In this way explain and give them homework from this textbook. And mention the page number. And then make the class very interesting by telling a story related to singular and plural. Anything you can discuss about it. Then ask questions. Then you again ask questions to the students, see whether they have understood or not. And then finally, if you get good responses, reward them. Suppose clapping, give them some sort of gift, or say that you are the best. A kind of inspiration. These will help a lot for the development of the students. And you can see this is a grade 3 book, People Book 3, Nelson's Grammar, and this is another Oxford Reading Circle. From here you could tell a story. As for example, I'm going to give you a story. The page number is 42, page 42. The name of the story is The Turtle and the Swan. The Turtle and the Swan. So you will ask the students to go to the page number 42, and then you could see, show the picture. This is turtle. Turtle means in the language you translate, and then swan, you show the picture and then explain. So you also narrate the story. I'm going to tell the story. So turtle and the swans, they were very good friends. Once upon a time, they were discussing and chatting a lot of things. And when the swans were separating from the turtle said that, where are you going? I want to go with you. And the swans were not ready to take him, because it's not possible that a turtle can fly in the sky. Finally, there was a plan that the turtle will give a stick and the swans will hold on to the sticks and they will fly, as you can see this picture. Everything was these two swans told that never just talk while you are flying with us. If you talk, then you will be in trouble. Once a lot of people saw that two swans and a turtle were flying. They were asking a lot of questions. They were discussing, criticizing, and they were giving credit to the swans. And all of a sudden, the turtle felt jealous. He said that it was my plan that they will carry the stick, something like this. And then he made a mistake by being jealous. He wanted to give credit to himself. He said that it was my plan, not their plan. And then he talked, and then he has fallen down into the crowded place, and the swan left him because there was no way out. So in this way we understand from the story that whatever our promises, our jobs, it should be completed. We should follow the instructions clearly, and if we do that, if we do our duties properly, definitely things will be in the right position. So as you can see here, people saw the swan and the turtle, and at the end it has fallen down. So from this story we learned that keep your mind on the job in hand. So when you tell this story in the class, you can translate this into Rohingya language. Suppose in the language that the students understand. This will be so helpful for the students. They will enjoy it because there was a visual description of it, and you will get very good response. That way you could emphasize on the quality teaching. And at the end, I should say that if you follow these steps by showing the books and others for grade 1, 2 and 3, this will add a new dimension for your teaching quality. Your skill will develop and you will become a very good teacher. At the same time, you will be very much effective for the students, and the students will learn a lot of things from you. That's it from here. Thank you very much for watching the video.